On the Republican side, we have Buck Newton, who is a state senator from, I believe, the Wilson area, who is someone who has been very active in issues of property rights and the like, and somebody who's developed quite a profile in that regard. He's going to be facing Jim O'Neill, who is the district attorney for Forsyth County on the Republican side. So we've got an East versus West battle. We have a state lawmaker very active in constitutional and legislative and legal issues versus a prosecutor. So that's going to be, the dynamic will be a very good, I think it'll be a very interesting race. And if it is an issue-oriented race, we'll get to talk about some very, very interesting subjects during the course of this very brief.
Yeah, two completely different perspectives.
Exactly,
on that.
Exactly. And so that should be fascinating. On the Democratic side, we have Josh Stein from Wake County, member of the General Assembly, who's going to be running against Josh Williams, who is someone who, again, a fairly late filer, not as familiar with his background and record. But Josh Stein is someone who is essentially going to be running to extend, if you will, the tenure of Roy Cooper, who is leaving the Attorney General's position to run for governor. And so Josh Stein was sort of the handpicked successor to Roy Cooper. Now he has a challenger on the Democratic side. We'll see how that plays out. But it will be a very interesting race, because, again, on the Republican side, we're going to have two different perspectives involved. On the Democratic side, then you're going to have someone who's basically defending the legacy of Roy Cooper and sort of the establishment Democrats in the state.